Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start inside Photos. Open Albums, pick Live Photos, and tap the exact frame you want to convert. Once selected, press the Share button. This is where you trigger the conversion. You're doing this because converting creates a standard. Mauve that plays on any device and lets you trim or share without special viewers. Make sure Live Photo was actually taken, little live badge, and that you don't need to change the key photo before exporting. Now refine what will become your video. Tap Edit to scrub frames, choose a new key photo, and drag the live photo handles to trim the motion. If you want a stylistic change, swipe up and pick Loop or Bounce. These will affect the exported clip's behavior. Once satisfied, tap Done to save edits to the live photo. Reopen Share so the updated version is used when you convert. This prevents exporting unintended frames or the wrong key photo. Finish by choosing Save as Video from the share sheet. That writes a regular video to your library. Once saved, open Recents or Videos to play, trim further, or share via messages, mail, or social apps. If Save as Video is missing, make sure your device is running a recent iOS and that the image is truly a live photo. Otherwise, use a third-party app. If the exported clip has no sound, check your original live photo recording or mute.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.